morning, Maroon Pod. Good morning. Today we learn how to divide to get mixed number quotients. Before we get into that, though, we talked about 4 vocab words. Mixed number, first one. A mixed number is a mix of a whole number and a fraction. It's a mixed number. It's a whole number and a fraction smushed into one, or squished into one, as you said. Now, you guys know a fraction already. Where does it live? Is it bigger or smaller than 1? And is it part of a whole number? Yes. Now, decimals, believe it or not, have the exact same definition as a fraction. They live between 0 and 1. They are less than 1, and they're part of a whole number. And then what do you need to know how to do? What's something you better know how to do? Rounding is going to be an important part of this chapter as well as it was last chapter. All right, here we go. Remainders are weak. We don't use remainders as much anymore after this lesson. We're still going to use them, but not much. Simple math problem, 5 divided by 4. You guys know how to do it. Does McDonald's serve cheeseburgers rare, right? Yes. When you do that, you end up with 1 whole with 1 left over. Normally, you would say, oh, answer is 1, remainder 1, right? Yes. We stop doing that now, especially when I'm asking for a mixed number answer. So we still have our 1 whole. We have 1 of 4 parts left over, right? The divisor tells us how many parts we're splitting the dividend into, yes? Yes. So we've got 1 leftover part, which we're going to put at the top of the mixed number fraction. The divisor is 4, and that's going to be how many parts we're splitting it into. So remember the story. The girl's coming over for pizza, right? Every girl got 1 piece of pizza, and we had 1 left over, right? I split the pizza between all 4 of the girls, yes? So they each got 1 1/4 pieces of pizza. Make sense? The next problem, a little bit more challenging. We had to rewrite it. First number always goes inside the house. When we solved it, we got 168 and we had 3 left over, yes? The answer was not 168, remainder 3. We don't do remainders as much anymore. So we had 3 parts left over out of how many total parts? 5. So we got 168 as our whole number and 3/5 as our fraction. The remainder is always going to be the top of the fraction, and the divisors is always going to be the bottom. We good?